Good morning on this brisk morning in Ithaca. We're at Buttermilk Falls. So this is an 811-acre state park and it encompasses 2 miles of Buttermilk Creek. This is pretty awesome, and I am learning a lot about how the Finger Lakes were formed and all of these waterfalls. But the water from Buttermilk Falls begins its journey 6 miles south of here, winds through pastures until it reaches the brim of the Cayuga Valley, plunges through Buttermilk Glen, under cliffs, through pools. So the water from Buttermilk Falls will enter the Cayuga Inlet over here, flow 3 miles through the city of Ithaca, and enter Cayuga Lake. The water from Buttermilk Falls, along with the water from the other gorges, may remain in Cayuga Lake for 10 years. Eventually, the water from here will leave the north end of Cayuga Lake via the Seneca River to mix with the water flowing from the 6 other Finger Lakes. That water eventually makes it to Lake Ontario, one of the Great Lakes, and after 6 years or so there, that water will leave Ontario through the St. Lawrence River and eventually the Atlantic Ocean. So the entire area around Finger Lakes and Ithaca here is basically a Lake Ontario watershed. All right, so Buttermilk Falls looks great. It's awesome. It is only like 8 o'clock in the morning. I got a full day planned. Off to the next falls. Let's go. We are in the Tappan Mitra Preserve. We'll be heading into the Sweedler Preserve as well. But we're following a trail. I think round trip maybe it's gonna be like 2 miles, I think, to get to Brook Falls. Hopefully. There's 3 falls along this trail. I think the first one is the main one, the biggest one. So hopefully that's it. Got lots of plans today, so I don't want to hike too long in any particular place. But that's how it is when you're chasing waterfalls. Let's go. Just came to a portion of the Cayuga Inlet. It has tracks over it. So that's how we'll do it. Beautiful stream. Look at this water. A blue-green color. Gorgeous. Alright, and the trail continues over here. Alright, so we crossed on that slippery log down there. And here's Lick Brook. And the falls. Oh man. Whew, half frozen, half flowing. I love it. I love the ice on the falls on this trip. There we go. 70-foot tall Lick Brook Falls. Mostly frozen. Only the left side's flowing there. All right, Lick Brook Falls, this is awesome. 90-foot drop, 3/4 frozen, absolutely beautiful. This was a very easy hike to get to. You can go up around the gorge that way, and there are like 2 more falls. The tallest one is purported to be well over 100 feet tall, not confirmed. The vantage points on those isn't great. So this is awesome. I'm moving on to the next one. We're in Robert Tremond State Park now. Man, 3rd or 4th state park on this trip, but this is Enfield Falls. Fishkill Creek is roaring down here. It's going to join Enfield Creek in just a little bit, and we're going to hike to the Devil's Den, Lucifer Falls. Let's go. Well, that's a bummer. I'm running into this a lot up here, that the good trails, you know, that get you close to the waterfalls are closed. Upper Rim Trail to a Lucifer Falls overlook. What I really wanted was the Gorge Trail going that way to go down through, but very concerned about the ice, I guess. I like to see icy falls, but yeah, they don't want you falling on the ice. So yeah, I think our gorge trail down there, I do see it blocked off, big yellow sign, all that. So we will take the Rim Trail. And then out here, see some falls. And you can see the gorge trail back here. It is icy, it is shiny white. So, I guess I understand, but you know, some people do pack micro spikes. So I just did a 360 shot down into there. I hope I got it. And I hope this isn't the actual Lucifer Falls overlook. I'm gonna keep going, see if I can find a better spot. All right, Lucifer Falls here from the official Lucifer Falls overlook. 115-foot fall. Absolutely impressive. Really wish we could get down close to that. Oh, killing me. Wrapping around here, steps right over here, is the gorge trail. So yeah, I'm a little salty we can't be that close to it, but that is beautiful. Wow. And yeah, so 3/4 of a mile in, we are just past that good overlook. The trail does then descend on a bunch of switchback steps here and crosses over to the other side, so you can come back that gorge trail. Not today though. Padlocked, gated, electrical barbed wire, and rabbit hounds. Probably not, but the first two things anyway. Come back here, take one more look down into Lucifer Falls. Alright, so this is my view from my room at Watkins Glen. That is Seneca Lake down there, one of the Finger Lakes. The Grist Iron Brewery is right there. And this is their lodge. Nice little keg table. This is my welcome beer. At check-in, she checked me in, gave me a key, and poured it. Let's check out the room. Huge room. They have pet-friendly rooms and not pet-friendly rooms, and this is definitely a not pet-friendly room. Right when you walk in, got a grist iron bucket, mini bar with their beers. Got a little nook here with a Snickers bar and some Advil and a cookie and a bottle opener. Got a king room. This looks awesome with the wood. Picture of the brewery. Bed looks nice. Absolutely spacious here. Television. And you come over here to kind of a big closet area. Not sure why all that room, but hello? Bathroom, very nice. And the shower looks awesome. And Grist Iron Brewing GIB shower beer. Well, I guess I'm just gonna have to here. Some magnets here. They can use their koozies, take them in the shower with you. Very nice touch. Logoed shower curtain. Yeah. 2 nights on this trip and 2 absolutely solid, awesome places to stay. This place is awesome. Shower's awesome. Cheers.